welcome to LP Outdoors. Today we built a 50 clear span Arcum tent, and this Arcum tent is the normal specification. The difference is that we improve the if bin and the intermediate purlin. And this time we improve the rail tracks on if bin, and this time we will install the lining to show you the elegant look of this Arcum tent. Now the entire frame is done. We can clearly see that the entire Arcum top transition looks very smooth and natural. And our roof bin adopts high strength tension and bending technology. It won't be easy to rebound compared with ordinary A-shaped tent. The top angle of Arcum tent is flatter, so rain and snow slide off slower, which can easily cause water accumulation and dent the top cover cloth. Therefore, we add 2 more intermediate purlins on both sides of the top ridge eave to support cover and avoid water accumulation on the top. Due to the increase of the purlins, the cost of Arcum tent will be higher than others. After install the fabric, and then we install the lining. And the lining will be sewn with the keder. We just thread the keder into the track to complete the installation. And now follow the walker to see how to install the lining. The Velcro side is facing inward, and these 2 pieces of lining can be connected by the Velcro. And the corner also can be connected through the Velcro. All setup has been complete. It appears a white heavy-duty tent, and the specification of the roof bin and leg bins is 166 by 88 by 3 millimeters. And the side height of this tent is 3 meters. Let's look inside. After decorating with the lining, the tent looks very beautiful and elegant, as I have arrived at an outdoor wedding activities. You can see the if bin, we have 3 track rails, and you can hang the lining, sidewalk cloth, and other accessories. Let's look at the top. The intermediate purlin will have 2 track rails. And this time we hang the lining into the middle track. You can see the ridge eave, we have 2 track rails on both sides. Due to its unique shape, the Arcum tent always applied as a pop shop, outdoor exhibition hall, etc. And this video ends here. Thanks for watching. We are LP Outdoors. We are your trusted tent solution partner since 2005. See you next time.